Portable and Goya Menor. What is the problem? What is the problem? For a long time now, Portable and Goya Menor have been fighting. Now, Portable is the guy that sang Zazu, Bisa Bisa. Then Goya Menor is the other guy that sang You Want to Bamba, You Want to Chill with the Big Boys. You know the song now. So the two of them have been having battle for who is more popular, who has more fans than each other. So now they have a quarrel. The whole started from the Headies. During the Headies Awards, they selected Portable and the guy Goya Menor for next rated artists. Now something along the line, I think Portable now have an issue with the organizers of the event, and then the organizers now disqualified Portable, and Portable now became angry. How are they disqualify me? He started quarreling and everything. Now they did the event. They now gave Goya Menor the next rated artist. Portable now started talking that the guy don't know how to sing, he don't have fans. That even himself, they gave him an award. He went and collect. That can't he say no? How can they give somebody an award? He say he should return it. Now that one now replied Portable. So that's when the problem starts. But I don't blame either Portable or Goya Menor. I blame the Headies for allowing this matter to even escalate. They allow the matter to escalate because Headies is supposed to even call Portable and Goya Menor and say, Kai, we don't give you the award. Please allow the guy to flex his award. But then they left them. So they have called any small thing, fight. Any small thing, they go on social media and they insult themselves. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is that you that is watching this argument that I want to ask you now, I need you to share this video so that it can get to others. Let's hear from everybody so that everybody can tell us who is even more popular inside Goya Menor and Portable. Yes, I will analyze it now, but I want you to share this video. So this video can go to everybody so that they can see it, they can tell us. Because the more people are saying who is more, the more we can even get votes and know who is more popular than who. So now, Portable is a very big artist. Yes, he's very, very big artist. He sung, I think he has fans a lot in Nigeria. He has a lot of fans. Yeah, Zazu has a lot of fans in Nigeria. He's very influential on social media. Now he can just do one thing and the whole blog, Insta blog, they will carry it. Yes, he has fans. But Goya Menor, his song, You Want to Bamba, you play it in France, they play it in Germany, they play it in London, they play it in America, they play it in Canada, they play it in Finland, everywhere, they even play it everywhere. You understand? They play that song. That song is a global sound. So for somebody that have a global sound, which means he has fans all around the world. All around the world. Which means he is popular. He has a lot of fans. The Portable say it's not true that he's more popular than Goya Menor. So I don't know. Who do you think is more popular than who? Is Goya Menor more popular than Portable? Or is Portable more popular than Goya Menor? Because we need to kill this. We need to quench this beef. This argument, we need to even settle it once and for all. It's just like Ronaldo and Messi. We have not. It's inconclusive. But this one, we need to conclude it. Goya Menor and Portable. Who is more influential? Who has more fans? Who has more music? Who among them his music is more known than the other? So tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video so that others can see and tell us what they feel, because we need to know who is more popular, who has more fans than any of them. I know I don't have sense, I know, but I'm trying to make sense today. That's why I want you to even tell me, let me know, because Goya Menor is popular. To me, I know the guy has song that You Want to Bamba, You Want to Chill with the Big Boys. That song has gone viral. But this Portable man, the song man has gone, yeah. But then tell me in the comment section. My name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. But please don't forget to share this video and comment and tell me who is more popular among Goya Menor and Portable. Thank you.